Hi, welcome to Classic Car Code. It's just a little short video on the Mini Cooper. Unfortunately, I made a mistake. I've got so many MOTs, or so many pickles as they call it in Austria. I think it's Germany as well. I think it's the same word. The yearly test, and I had the E-Type. I did the Mini. I had to do the on hanger. The trailer has to be MOT'd in this country as well, especially the weight that it is. I think even the little ones have a test. I'm not sure. And then the Mercedes-Benz had to be done, and that was on the 9th. It's on the 9th, which is in what, 4th today? It's in 5 days time, and I was looking at it because I always put something on the wall because my memory is not as good as it was, and I just had it in my mind. It was the Cooper that was going back, and it should have been the 28th of the month. So they were pretty good about it. They gave me another spot. I think the check, I had to pay again, but only half of the full amount. I think I only paid 21, and I think €1 something is for the sticker anyway, so I think I paid 20 instead of 27 or 30 or 28 or whatever it is. So anyway, passed, everything's good, and you'll see with the analyzer, but unfortunately it runs like a bag of shit, which was to be expected. Max said, you know, he said, look, when you come back, he said, I do this all the time. He said, I'll put the analyzer on it, I'll bring it down, get the test, come home, and then bring the jet down. It's too far up, and it's, you know, if you accelerate to like 3,500, 4,000 RPM and then change gear, it's okay, but you can hear it pinking otherwise. So I'll bring it back up and make it a bit richer, but not too much, maybe just a flat, because it's a very small amount of adjustment, and then I'll take it out and try it. Anyway, so this is just a video showing the test on that and what the situation was, and it's just showing the analyzer, but it just shows you how difficult it is to do it by ear, by sound, or by driving the car. It's been near impossible to get it spot on for a test, and you've got to make it as lean as you possibly can. I don't know what it is in the UK, but here it's minimum 4.5, and I think it was 4. It was 3.9 or 4, something like that. So, but the car doesn't. It runs awful, which I expected. So there you go. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. It's very, very short and sweet, and I'll put a new one up tomorrow on the Mark III, because we've got the floor in now, and I'm going to take it back out again, of course, but I wanted to get and see how it fitted. Max has come up with his analyzer to do the Mini Cooper emissions, so we've got it running here. We've got it running. It needs 10 or 15 minutes to warm up. There it is there. Oh, sun. SGR 3000, 9000. So, just going to have a play with it and see what happens. So this is Max's analyzer here, and he's going to get this emission sorted out because it was too high, and hopefully we can find a place where it's good for the test and good to drive, and we'll kind of go from there. So he's got the analyzer up its arse, and hopefully Max won't be on camera. He doesn't like being on camera, so he's okay when he's under there. You can't see him. But all you guys in the group know Max anyway. Oh, you met him. Well, apart from, well, a few of you. So we'll see what happens with it. Weird how that flashes and it's not doing that in real life. We can go up a little bit more, can't we, to 4? I don't know, whatever you think, Max. That looks good. 3.6, 3.8, 3.7. Jumps are quite a lot, doesn't it? With a bit of adjustment. And there's the thing there. You can see it was 9.38 and the max is 4.5 allowed. So now it's down to 3.984. Too much. Just a touch back down.
Then it raises a little because you will have overflow of fuel.
Yeah.
It makes an overswing and then it should stabilize at the correct way.
Yeah, it looks good. Okay, so we have a pass. They looked at the stuff. This is the new pickle. So it's good till the 3rd, 25th. So even though you get 3 months, they'll always put it back to the last date you had it. Even though it was March, April, May, June. Yeah. So they put it back, so you can't cheat it. Anyway, it's all done. And with that emissions down, it runs shit. It's pinky and it's chuggy. So as soon as I get home, I'm going to put that, change that jet. Yeah, but it's passed, that's the main thing. You can hear it, it's just, you can hear me over the wind. You try and put a bit of acceleration on it, it spurts and it's under-fueled. Yeah, listen when I try and put my foot down. Hear it pinking. I'm going to bring the acceleration on really, really slowly. Hasn't got that. Yeah, hasn't got that pull it had with that jet being screwed up too far. Anyway, so you've seen the video, and yeah, I've got some stuff. I've got a video on tomorrow. On the Mark III, and hopefully you'll join us for that. The first one I put up, part 1, went very well. Part 2 is about average, but hopefully it'll collect a few more viewers with a bit of luck. But on that note, as usual, stay safe, keep the faith, enjoy your hobby, and be good to each other. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.